so we just wrapped up round one here in Brisbane. We knew that this round was going to be pretty tough just because of being in so close quarters, first round, you know, all these bits and pieces that contribute to like a difficult championship. So a couple of good starts, but looking forward to getting to a bigger track and get some flow and all the rest. So I just didn't feel like I had that tonight. I didn't flow well. I was fast, but just not every lap. So yeah, excited to move on to round two.
Yeah, round one here at Brisbane Entertainment Centre. It was a great night. First main event, got off to a great start. My Serco Yamaha killed it off the line, and unfortunately I made a mental error and went down. I come off and they said I got third, so the second one I told my mechanic, I said, I'm winning this sucker. So I got the whole shot and put my head down, never looked back, and ended up with a Serco 1-2 for the night. Can't ask for anything better.
So I just wrapped up round one here at Brisbane Entertainment Centre. Didn't go to plan. It was a tough night. Went down in the first final in the first turn, and felt like we were really good all night. It was just bad starts, and you put yourself in bad positions, bad things happen. So time to regroup, and we'll come out swinging at round two.